Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps, SRE, DevSecOps coach. So now it has not come, so just wait for it. It has not come, so go down, close this, close this
I
tab.
also not finding. I click the search. It's nothing
Is
coming.
there? It came.
Yeah.
Just click the search, right?
Yeah. Just click on the search.
Are you talking about these?
Yeah, these are the one.
These are from my IP. Because the IP we are using them.
Change the content. No, change the. This is your content.
I changed this. This is my only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I didn't get the telnet one.
Check that API address. If it is good, then it will be.
What is this cap character?
Yeah.
This is perfectly fine.
Yeah.
So now I need to paste those messages. This is fine.
Yeah.
Oh, that I'm getting already because it is saying already. Okay. Hello world from this call command, and from this is from this. I think I'm getting this. But telnet. This is getting. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm sharing. I'm not getting in the search option. I think reflecting.
Yeah. Please share.
This option is coming.
No, that's the APM you're looking. Okay, yeah, click on. No, just do one thing. Show me that what you are trying. Command. Which command you
Command.
try?
Okay. Ln.
Yeah. Is that your that key is yours or mine?
Hmm.
Key.
Key.
7F. 7F.
My key only.
It seems it's like mine only. You did not
My
change.
user ID here.
No, key is yours or mine?
From here I actually, this is a copy in my user ID.
Yeah, just click on that. And copy paste on the notepad.
Yeah, already this one, right?
Yeah.
Already copy paste here and
Which region you are? trying?
Well, region I've not checked.
Check that because I gave you that command for US1 region. Click on that, go to that region. Search, yeah. It's a US1, yeah. Refresh. Refresh.
Where is the place?
Remove the onboarding in the URL. Click on the search, yeah. So next one is agent, Datadog agent. So guys, look at my screen. Though it's very simple, but you need to focus on it. So first thing, what I want. So I want certain logs at certain locations. That is the first scenario. Okay. Certain locations. That is the first scenario. Second one is certain logs from Apache, means this is integrations. Okay. So these are the two scenarios I'm having. I want any random logs and I want any random Apache. So how do we do that? So you can come to here, Datadog log, if you search for it. And here, this is the tutorial for you. Log collection and configuration using Datadog agent. By the way, if you know Fluent do log stash also, you can configure it, but that is more than sufficient. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah.
So first thing
Can
what
you
I
please
will do.
share the link? Rajesh, can
Yeah.
you please share the link?
Yeah, I just put it in the chat window. Okay, so guys, look at my screen during the demo. So here. So the first thing what you have to do, how to enable log collection in Datadog. So the first thing what you have to do, how to enable log collection in Datadog. Okay, how to enable log collection in Datadog. So first thing you have to do step number one. This is a prerequisite. Agent you need to inform, hey, log enabled should be true. How do you do that? So let me do it. This all tutorials will help you. etc Datadog agent, Datadog YAML, enter. Yeah. So here, what is the line number? Logs underscore enabled. So logs underscore enabled. This is the one. Done. And make it true. So logs underscore enabled is true. Done. And that's the first step. So are you comfortable with this, all of you? Hello?
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah.
Rajesh.
Now we have to decide what you want. So guys, here certain location means certain logs at the certain locations. So what you want? So let me create an example. ls var log, and which one you want? Let's say MySQL error log. So this is something I want. Okay. This is any random log, any files. Okay. I don't care about that. Any files. And here I want Apache. So this is the integration logs. Okay. So this I'll talk about a little bit later. So first let me do this one. So how do we do that? So here, you should read this. This is the location. log source.d under the con.d. So you can create a custom folder and some specification I'll show you. This is the, you see, log stanza, file, path, service, source. So this is the stanza you have to create. So this is for log type file. This is if you want a log from the TCP UDP. If you want log type from general D or Windows event. So we have all these things. So I'll go for one of the example, which is this one. So here I will specify stanzas like this. What is the type? So this is the file or TCP or general D or Windows event. So whichever you want, you can specify. Now, what is the location of log? This one. Source MySQL. Service MySQL. So this is the kind of stanza you will create. You want more stanzas like this. Are you
So
understanding?
if you collect from OS log, source is OS, service is OS, right?
Yeah. No. This source and service can be anything. This should be correct and this should be correct.
Oh,
This is human
any
name.
name you
This is
can give.
human name. Okay. So now I created stanzas like this. So what to do? So I'll go inside the cd datadog con.d and here I'll create one directory which is called custom or something. The directory can be anything but ending with a D. So this is the custom log. So I'm creating this directory mkdir enter cd enter and then conf.yaml enter here this one done. So now what is happening? You specify the stanzas here in this con.file file, which is automatically all the directories automatically will be read. All the con.yaml automatically will be read. And the moment you restart systemctl, all this command, you know that restart Datadog agent. And then can I check this now? Datadog, all this command you have practiced already. Status. Look at the status. So go up a little bit up. Did you see somewhere? I'm just checking. See here, log agent. And it's enabled, so that is good. Integration. Is it good or not good? What do you think? Look at the status. All of you.
It is
All
showing
of you.
permission denied.
So there is a Datadog agent is running as a which user?
Root.
No, DD agent user, no? Correct now?
Yeah.
DD, yeah. So yeah, you know that how to fix now. chmod
CHMOD
-r,
permission.
yeah, and 755 directory also done. And let's check it out. It is fixed or not. You have to restart. And do the stuff.
Is the data agent is reading all the .d file inside in conf folder, conf.d folder?
Yes, reading any .d directory is there and YAML file is reading actually. They're reading.
Yeah.
And now you see the status. So what was the MySQL, right? Source and service. Can I go and check this? So come to Datadog, refresh. And here look at the left side source. Still has not come. Wait for a second. One day. And say source. Still has not come. Just wait for it. And I don't know whether MySQL is writing the data or not. Oh, by the way, error, no? So let me check that file has some error or not. Else if it is empty, then it will keep waiting and it will not come. See, that is a problem. So can I change the different file? Let me check this. Error log, no file. I have to change that. Okay, no problem. Let me add a new one then in that case. So add this is new one. Sorry, my bad. And here ls var log and which one I should put it up? Syslog. Let's put it syslog. Okay, syslog. You will have so many syslog. I added this line and same process. Now you know that, so no need to understand this more. Delete everything. Syslog permission. I need to check. And done. Restart this guy. And status. Look at this. Same error now. Correct now. So let me change the permissions. Chmod and log. Restart and status. Now it's corrected, right? Can I check now? Because syslog, I think it should be having so many logs.
But Rajesh, it is not a good practice to go when in fly go to the where location and change the permission. Some security reason you cannot do every time in production environment.
True, but the fix is very simple. DD agent, you will add it to the one of the group which you think is a part of having all the access. So that will fix that issue. So you have to add this guy into the one group which you are using for the most of the operations. So that you have to do that. So yeah, now you see so much bombarded with syslog and you see source. Now you see 358 line has come, filter by that one now. And this is the one. I'll teach you the techniques for searching also. So, but yeah. So this is the first scenario. You can likewise, you can take any logs, put it in any ways, and this tutorial will help you. This bottom section here, there is one tutorial. This will help you. Say install the agent. Did you? Yes. And then enable the log collections. Then create a directory, put the some files. This is a logic. Restart it, verify it, and give the permission. Here also I put it up. That's fixed and all. So yeah. Did you understand that now, all of you? Hello?
Yeah.
So now next scenarios which I'll teach you, which is certain logs, but from integration. Integration means in our case is Apache, but typically you can do anything. So where is integration? So integration, go back, cd dot Apache .d, and this integration is not enabled. It's a new machine. So cp done, and conf.yaml. Okay, so guys, in each integration, this file you are comfortable, right? All of you, correct now? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So let me check if you have a Apache or not. So which Apache 2 is not there. So quickly let me install it. Yum get Apache 2. Enter. Yes. Okay, so Apache is failed to start. Why? Okay, guys, did we install something? Okay, maybe Nginx we installed, no? You guys had what ask for Nginx, correct? Ah, yes. Okay, so then we don't need Apache, then Nginx. I forgot completely. So Nginx is there. It should be there. So Nginx dot D. Yeah, it's there. So yes, you go for Nginx then in this case. Nginx is a web server. So now here, what we need to do, I need to check the Nginx file. And if you see the integration file, go to the bottom section, okay? And this section, you please read this. So yes, every integrations also enable the logs collections, every integration. So initially I said how to collect the metrics, but now I'm telling you how to enable integration itself for log. Okay, so let me just delete everything and give the path. So how many path will be there? 1 0 path and 2. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Never use tab. Okay, so now I'll check this file is there or not. So ls is there and ls hello.
We can hear.
Yeah, are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, sorry. So here I'll just change this, save it, restart it. You know the process, same. My God, systemctl, restart, Datadog-agent. Now Datadog-agent status, and check this out. This is the custom log, and this is Apache log. Status is okay. Now this is okay. Can I check the Nginx log? So go to here and refresh. Let me clear the filter. And now source. See, Nginx has come only 2 line right now. Just wait for a few seconds. It will come all the line. 3 line has come. So guys, did you understand that, all of you? How do we enable the stream and capture all the logs and stuff like that? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So basically when these all kind of stuff, it automatically the coming with the log, you just need to enable and then restart and the log will come automatically.
right. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to search the log. That is important. Okay, search techniques. So guys, let me ask you one thing. Do you know how to search in Google? All of you.
That's definitely you need to do the search string and then what you need, you can, if you can do the plus plus plus, then it will be faster.
Correct. Yeah. So I'll teach you Google first. and then same thing will replicate with Datadog. Why? Because if I do the Google, you'll remember that. So guys, look at my screen, all of you. So I want to search for one single string. So what should I do? I do the DevOps. And you see here, when I see DevOps, here you see DevOps, all these results has come. But if I want to search for DevOps and DevSecOps, okay. So here if I do DevOps and space DevSecOps, by default it will be added and it is a logic, okay. So either you don't add it, but it will be added. So now you see that this results, you have a DevOps also, DevSecOps also, this page, DevOps also, DevSecOps also. So now what is there? You can do and also, it will work. You see here, and is a kind of operator, and here DevOps, DevSecOps, DevOps, DevSecOps, like this. Now, if you say you want to find out something or kind of it, so what to do? DevOps or DevSecOps. That means give me the results either DevOps or DevSecOps. So now here you see only DevSecOps is here. Here you see, here you have DevSecOps. Here you see DevSecOps. Here you see DevSecOps. Here DevOps. Here DevSecOps. Here DevSecOps. Here Dev. This you can exception you can take it because sometimes ranking is high, so they push it up. DevSecOps. So are you understanding and or operator?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, if you want to do the compound searches, that means I want searches which has a DevOps space a DevSecOps together. So put it in the curly braces. And now you see here DevOps, DevSecOps together. DevOps, DevSecOps together. DevOps, DevSecOps together. Likewise. So yeah, if you understood that means you have understood how to search in Google, I mean Datadog. So now guys, you can search for just a second. You can search for single term. So look at this here. So single term, single word such as test or hello, you can search for it. Next one, you can search for the group word, which is combined by quote. Look at the first line and second line. Now, after that, you can use operators. So there are three operators in Datadog. We have AND operator, and then we have OR operator. Just now I use in the Google also. And then we have exclusion operator. So if you see the table, it will be easy to understand, you know. So here you see that AND means you want to find out the logs which has authentication and failure. Or you want to find out the log where authentication or password. Or here you are saying, hey, give me all the logs where authentication is there, but the password should not be there. So that means hyphen and password. Are you understanding? All of you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So that is the way you can search for it. So look at this here, and or and hyphen. Now you can also get autocomplete. Autocomplete means when you go to that, let me go and search for it. So first I'll go for, let me check searches and let me check the error. So single term I'm searching and you see there's no error from last 15 minutes. I'll go for 1 day and there's no error, unfortunately. So I'll search for 1 day. There's some problem, I guess. Refresh. So now I'll see error. Let's see if it is coming. Yeah, now it's came. So now you see that this line has come error. Now here error, you have it. But here you see error is also here. So now I want to find out any line which has like this, in and error. So do you have how many lines? 372. Now I want to find out or error. How many? See the line which has in or error. Now I want to find out together like this. So only 26 log. Okay, now I want to find out in, okay, hold on a second, in and operator and then space, in and operator error. So likewise, see here, these are the lines you have. That means in but not error. So see that in this line there is not be any error. Search for it. See, there's no error. So likewise, okay, are you understanding all of you?
Yep.
Now here, you know, autocomplete features are there. So whatever the fields you populated, you will have auto features. For example, source colon NGINX. So that means only you are seeing the nginx 30 logs has come right. Okay, so this also autocomplete feature you have actually. Okay, so that is something you have. Now, guys, regular expression. So you can use regular expression a lot. Sometime if you have a special character in the search word, search term, what you can do, you can use escaping character. So look at this, what is escaping character? So if you have a search term which contain these are the special character, then this is the, you can follow my cursor, you can use escaping character to do that. So that is also possible. Now here we call it message attribute search. Message attribute search means here, see, you want to search some keyword where user is equal to Jane Doe. This is the one word. User is equal to Jane Doe, but is equal to is a special character. So it will break the search result. So if you want to escape that, so use this. You see, escaping character, you have used it. For likewise, you can use this. So you want to search user is equal to Jane Doe, add the escaping character. Now guys, you can also do the facet searches. Facet searches means attribute search. So let me show you rather than talking. So let's say there's a nginx log you have. Okay, and these are the attributes you see: client IPs, HTTP, method, get, all this thing. So you want to see all the attributes, all the nginx log where the status code is 404. What do you do? Click on this and filter by this one. That's all. And now you see that this will change. This got changed. Source is equal to this one and at the rate attribute colon 404. So this also you can do that. There's the techniques for doing all this thing. Okay, so facet search, attribute search, all this thing you can do that. Now I want to show you this one little bit in detail. So let me snip it actually. It will be easy for me to talk about it. Okay, so now you see here. Now you see here, just a second. Here you have you see attribute search, HTTP and colon. Now if you want to search the value as a one string, what you have put double quote. That's one way. But if you want to create a escaping character without double quote, see, escaping character has been used here because that is a special case. But if you want to do the range search, that means the value should be between the anything between the 200 299. So then you use square bracket. This is called range. Now if you want to use a regular expression, you look at this here. This is the field, this skipping character, and here you see regular expression use. That means starting with this one, anything which is coming in the value, just give me that one. Are you understanding, all of you?
Mhm.
Yeah. So these are the techniques which you can use it. Here again, if you think your field search you are doing or filtering you are doing through some field, and you think like service name you don't have an exact definition, or you want to be make it more generic. So here web star means any service named which is starting with web. Okay, when you use only type search web star, that means you are search for term search. Mind it, term search, anything is starting with web and ending with anything. Here when you say star web, that means anything you starting but ending must be with web. So like that you can use a wildcard character also in the search. For numerical values like range and all, you can do that. So here square bracket 400 to 499. Also, you can use less than equal to, less than equal to, or greater than equal to also in the value font. So that also will work. Okay, so this is something which we have. Now there's a lots of visualizations are there. So if you see that here visualize as, here you see visualize as list. So here you are seeing the list of it. Okay, but if you want to see by time series, so here you have a time series. So when it got created, let's say go for only 1 hour, that will be better. See here. So at what time these many logs got created and all. So you can see the time series. Top logs by the pattern detections, they will have it. So which are the top log you received from last 1 hour. So 50 top log, and click on this, you got this one. So multiple views are there. You can go for it. Tabular format, you want to see the results. So this is the tabular format. You want to add more field. So you can client IP, you can click select add as a column. See here. Not got added. Just a second. And status 200. And no, there's no field actually. There's no data, so that's the problem here. So it's not coming. So yeah, you can look at the table we found, tree map also here. This is a tree map. Pie chart view also you can do that. This is a pie chart. So likewise, you can see in any format if you like it. Remember that I said pattern detections and all. So you can group by the search results by field, and here go to the list and field. Here you can group by, you want to display from source, all this thing you can just do this one. Yeah, so you can group by fields. If you think you group by patterns, so how many patterns you got it? So right now you see that these are the unique patterns. Out of which these are the 57 pattern, but this is something you can troubleshoot. Why this unique pattern has come? What is special about this line? So this log, even I am not able to understand what exactly that is. So like that. You can also look at the transaction. Transaction will not give you right one because this has to be session ID driven. You don't have a session ID. So these are the options we have. Here you can work with the timeline. Here you can add a more search boxes. And here you can, download as a CSV results. We have few more save to dashboard and notebook and all kind of things. So guys, are you understanding all of you? How to search and all? Hello?
Yeah, get it.